Right, so let's take a look at how we can do our magic circle. This magic circle is really easy because it's basically like working a slip knot and not completing the second part. So to do that, we're going to take our yarn and we're going to leave a decent tail so we can seam that through later. And then you're going to take your yarn, wrap it around 2 fingers, like so. And then you're going to push the yarn through the loop with your middle finger or whatever finger is comfortable for you. Take your hook and insert it under the yarn there. Bring your finger out of the loop. Grab your working yarn. Bring it up. And then chain. I'll do that again, like quicker, so you can see what it looks like. So we're going to take our yarn, wrap it around, bring your yarn through the loop, put your hook under, grab your yarn, bring it back up, and chain. Now one more time without explaining so you can see it. So I'm going to start. And there you have it. Now I'll finish off my granny square, or just a bit of it so you can see. Okay, I'm finishing off my granny square. I'm going to slip a stitch into the top of the chain 3, pull that tight, fasten off. But now I want to show you the beauty of the magic ring here. All we have to do with the magic circle, all you have to do is pull that and it's perfectly tight. And then of course you're going to need to seam this yarn around in a circle and fasten off, and you're good to go.